Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a highlighted blocks on your Canva DOS on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert the highlighted blocks on the Canva DOS on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the element section. After clicking on element section, you just need to swipe down. You have this option called highlight blocks. Click on this. So now you have a different type of highlight blocks. So this is one of the type like info, or this is another notes, a warning, or success, or error. So there's a lot of codes or lot of different shades of highlighted blocks, which is very useful. For an example, this is a location. You can just add directly location, and if it is a title, you can just use this. It's a so colorful and also so useful highlighted blocks. You can just easily put it on your Canva docs on your document. It's simple, just click it and just double tap it, and you can just edit it. Even though you can just edit the icon, you can just delete it and you can just place whatever the icon you just needed from the elements. This is so useful. Try this on your Canva DOS on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super Bible content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.